Dang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Part three. I just want to say, more for your psychology. Keep studying, keep learning, keep watching. My content, everybody content. Anybody that can help you. If my strategies help you, cool. If you have more, like I have two mentors that I go to, that I learn from. If my content helps you, cool. Find like I don't want you to just be stuck on like my content. Like find whoever like resonates with you the best. If I resonate with you the best, then cool. Like if you like my vibes, cool, gang. Like but find like your strategy. Like find your mentor, find somebody that vibes with you. And if they vibe with you, shit, go with them. Like I have two mentors that vibe with me, and so if I vibe with you, then cool. Gang. I'm gonna keep dropping more content. Um, like I said, price headed down on the 15. Price headed down, but then retest it back up before heading back down. Like price will do that. Like let's go to the 30. Uh, what did it do? Right here, right to this level. Started. It headed down. Boom. Uh, headed back up. Boom. Before heading down. Okay, so gold will do that. Gold is very very fast too. So you have to be very very mindful what price is doing and what it's showing you. If price is showing you sales, get in for sale. Once price shows you that it's no more sales, you see prices heading back up, and price is heading back up, get in for buys or wait for price to retest back up here before getting in for sales. Like I said, the overall trend was a downtrend, so I would just wait for the retest, and then get back in. Okay, and then ride it all the way down for the day. Ride it all the way down here again for the day. So once like gold or price shows you, uh, like shows you it's heading back down, we're looking for sell. We're looking for sell. Once price shows you it's heading back up, we're looking for buys. Like once price shows you it's heading back up, we're looking for buys. Once price shows you it's heading back down, we're looking for sell. And we will go to like the 1 hour. The 4 hour, to see the overall trend. Oh, it's actually okay on the hour on these candlesticks. These are hour candlesticks. It's going down for the hour. Okay, it's going down for the last 3 hours. Okay, cool. Let's scroll in now to our 30 minute. We can scroll into our 30 minute. Oh, it's going down for the 30 minute. Every 30 minutes is going down. Two 30 minutes equal an hour. So that's our first hour candlestick. Every two candlesticks on the 30 is an hour, right? So cool. All right. So we know it's going down for the 30. Boom. Now we go to the 15. Three candlesticks on the 15. I mean, two candlesticks on the 15 equal 30, right? So we will scroll down to our to we will scale down to like the 15 or the 5 minute, to see what price is overall. What price is it heading up or is it heading down, right? I show y'all Fibonacci. um like I said, gang, you can do whatever you want in this market. Like literally, you can do whatever you want. You have to have a trading strategy, though. I'm giving y'all all these videos so y'all can put it together and come up with a trading strategy that fits for you. Once you see price starting to wick, wicks lets you know. Wait for price to wick. Wait for price to wick. Once you see a wick, rather if in a downtrend or uptrend, like once you see a wick down here, it's heading back up. Price is showing you that it does. Is wicking back up, letting you know it's rejecting off this key level and it's heading back up. Same thing up here. It's in the uptrend. Once price shows you is wicking up and is heading back down, up here, we're looking for sells. All right, so you have to pay attention to the wicks. When we see wicks, price is showing us on the 15, the hour, the 30 minute. It doesn't really matter. The 4 hour. If you see it wicking down here, it's showing us that price is heading up. If you see it wicking up here, it's showing that price is heading back down. So wait for price to make a wick and letting you know that oh, it's heading back down. I always wait for the wicks. Okay, I always wait for the wicks um, before I finally get in for a sell. You have to be very very patient with this market. Like this is on a 15, so it took about like 2:15 to get back up here. Like gold is very fast. Only took a 30 minutes to get back up here from 1820. But look, you can see before that it was consolidating. It took like this is all 15. Every candlestick is a 15. So it took about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, 9 hours before heading back up here. Like in before heading back down. So every candlestick is a 15. So you have to be very, very careful with that. Um, and be very, very patient with the market. Like I said, gang, you can do anything you want in this market. You could scrape for like 30 minutes. You could scrape from here, to here, and then scrape from here to here. Like, or you can long term, you can learn long term trade it. You can swing trade it. Um, look at the moving average. Look at RSI. Look at Fibonacci. Use everything that you can to validate you before you get in these trades. All right. And it's always going to be another trade. We still have 11 months left in this market to make money. 11 months. Okay, gang. We still have over 300 days left in this year to make money in this market. So um the market is always going to go back up and it's always going to go back down. There's always going to be opportunities to trade. It's always going to be an opportunity to trade. And so you don't have to worry about that. Do not get discouraged. It's always going to be the market's always going to be here in 2030. The market is still going to be here in 2030. The market's still going to be here. Like, okay, gang. So it's like do not feel discouraged if you're not understanding right now. I'm going to be posting a lot of more videos. Like I said, these are our key levels: 1830, 1815, and 1800. Like I said, wait for price to show you a wick before getting in. Like you see wicks right here, then it started heading back down. You see a wick right here, then it started heading back down. So be mindful of that. Be mindful of what price can do. Okay, like price will do that and then head back down. So and then you would just enter the trade. You would just enter the trade, and you would just go and you would just go off of what you predicted. Go off your trading strategy. Sometimes your trading strategy isn't always accurate, but most of the time your trading strategy is accurate, and you know that price is going to go from here to here. It's going to go to this key level before going back to this key level. Like so, you have to just be patient. Allow the market to make structure. Allow it to make a lower low. Allow it to make a lower high. It might take a while for it. This is considered consolidation right here. We would draw a box around this. We would just draw a box around this right here. Boom. We would just draw a box around that. Um, and then once price breaks the box, boom. Okay. Cool. Price is going back up. It's consolidating. It might take a while, but you have to be patient with the market. You have to be very, very patient with the market. And once the market shows you that it wants to make a lower low all the way back down here, we get in for sales. All right. So your trading strategy is very important. You're in profit all the way from 27 all the way down here. You're in profit. Price never goes back up to 27. It never goes back up to 27. You can see it. It tried to get all the way up to 27, went to 26, and then headed back down, but it never went all the way back up to 27. This is on the 15. So just be mindful of that. It's always going to be another trade. It's always going to be another opportunity. Um, it's always something you can do. It's always something you can do in this market. There's always an opportunity for you to make money in this market, gang. So don't get discouraged. Stay consistent. Practice on your trading strategy. Practice on being consistent. Work on your trend lines. Work on RSI. Work on your moving average. And I'm gonna keep posting more videos for y'all, gang. Um, so don't even worry. Oh, don't even worry. I'm gonna be posting way more videos for y'all. So depending on where price wants to go, we're just predicting where price wants to go, and depending on where price wants to go, we will get in either for buys or sell. Okay. Um, but for the week, price did close down. It did go to 1815 and close at 1818 for the week. So boom, you see someone as you're selling, someone is buying. As you're buying, someone is always selling. So it's always opportunities to make money in this market, gang. All right, and I'll be posting a lot more content for y'all.